Hey guys, and welcome to the Pack With Me vlog. Today we are packing for my bachelorette party coming up weekend. So today I am just going to pack some things that I think I need. When I packed for my girls' weekend when Ken went to Vegas for his bachelorette party, I definitely overpacked. But I felt good overpacking because then it gave me options. Now, I am like 20 minutes away from home, so I could always at any point run home and get something. But I'm just going to pack what I think I need and what I think I would want options for. Because really, I'm not sure what we're going to be doing. I am going to pack like a bathing suit, some dresses, some nice clothes, some shorts, all that stuff, because again, I'm not really entirely sure what we're going to be doing during the Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We're coming home, so really I just need clothes to put on to come home, but all day Saturday I'm not really sure what we're doing, so I'd rather have options so I know kind of, you know, what mood I'm in for on the day, and whatever plans come, then I can have an outfit that goes with it. So I'm gonna pack and we're just gonna see what kind of clothes I pick out this time. So in my first bag it would be my underwears, my bra, and my socks. So I am just going to pack 2 pairs of underwear, a set of bras, and I'm gonna put my swimming suit in here. So I got my underwear, a bra in there, 2 pairs of socks, and 2 bathing suits, and this one's all done. So now in my next bag, I'm gonna do PJs and stuff. So I think we're gonna be there Friday night and then Saturday night, coming home Sunday. So really all I need is 2 sets. So I think I'm going to go with my new sets, my cat one, and then my leopard one that I did in my Etsy haul. So let's go ahead and get those packed. I'm also gonna pack some little footies because I don't know, walking around a hotel room in nothing or just socks and something would make me feel uncomfortable, so we're gonna pack those, and then I'm gonna grab the PJs. PJ set number 1, PJ set number 2. If in here I want to pack, maybe I'll just do it in a different one. We'll see how much room I have, because I want to pack extra shorts and like maybe like a tank top or something to wear if we go to like a pool or go swimming, and then like I have to put something back on while heading back to the room. So I'll see what else I can fit other places. But one of the other things I've decided too is this time I'm going to put like complete outfits together and then put them on top of each other, like shorts and shirts and stuff like that, just so then they're with each other and I know kind of like what the outfit would look like, and go from there. Because when I did the girls' weekend at Ken's sister's, I kind of just packed everything individually and then kind of just pulled out kind of what I thought I would want to go together. But this time I think I want to like put things together so then I know exactly what it is I want to wear. So let's go ahead and do that. So I can't really figure out what I want to do. This is why I overpacked last time. This right here is just going to be the clothes I put on over my bathing suit. This is like that jogger sweat outfit that I showed you guys in my Shein haul vlog that I think I'm going to bring just in case, like, we sit outside around the fire and it's chilly and I want to be warm. So then the one day I got my new shirt, our shirt that I showed you guys in the Shein haul too, and a pair of shorts. I'm bringing, this is what I wore for my bridal shower, well, one of my bridal showers, and these shorts, just in case I want to do that for, like, if we go out to, like, a dinner or something, not entirely sure. This shirt I haven't worn yet with a pair of shorts. This, I have this shirt on top of it, or this tank top, just because this tank top is really cute. Then I actually took this dress out, which it wasn't even an option at first. It was going to be this dress and then the dress with the halter top. But I went through my closet and remembered that I have this, and hold on. Let me show you guys, because it is just so cute. And I thought this would even be cute to wear out for like a nice dinner or something. It's just long and flowy and has the flower pattern, and I haven't worn it in a couple years, but I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So I thought, why not bring it and, you know, maybe wear this as the dress if we go out for a nice dinner. But that right now is pretty much my option, so I'm going to put everything in the bags and see where I go from there. So right now on this one, I'm packing two kind of like sweatshirts and then a workout set, because not saying I'm going to work out, but if I have the opportunity and the place we're going has a workout room, I might get up early enough just to get a workout in. So I just want to pack one just in case. But now I think I got everything packed, and the next thing I'm going to do is just pre-pack the bathroom bag, because a lot of stuff that I took to Ken's sister's I just kind of took out and threw in a drawer, but I can just pack pretty much as I can, you know, in that, and then whatever I have to pack on Friday morning is what I pack on Friday morning. So I am going to zip this up and then we'll work on the bathroom bag. So pretty much for right now, I just have, oh, where is that? Huh, I know I had one. I had like a bath wash. Oh, there it is. I was gonna say, I knew it was somewhere. So pretty much in here right now is just my hair stuff, body wash, face lotion, something to scrub my face. The last things I would do on Friday is like my face wash. I would put in there all my toothpaste stuff, my toothbrush, probably these hair accessories, just like dry shampoo and dry conditioner. And then this bag has my makeup in it. So I would most likely pack all of that on Friday right before we leave, just because I'm going to obviously be using that in the morning, every morning, so I don't want to pack it in there and then end up having to pull it out again. So I think what I'll do is I'll just put that on the back of the toilet seat just so everything is in it and I don't have to worry about it. And again, all I have to do is just pack the few things that I have out that I use every day and call it a day. So yeah, that's the bathroom packing. Realistically, I really didn't want to use this suitcase, but hey, it works for everything that I packed, so why not just use it? I tried the last time when we went for the girls' weekend to do like this one, or I mean the really big one I don't need, or just now I tried to fit stuff in Ken's little bag that he had, but I would pretty much have to unpack everything and like just lay it in there. And I just like the cubes. Like, the cubes are just really nice. I can fit stuff in it and everything is packed neatly where it should be and where and what I want it to be with. So didn't want to use the bag, but I did. So I just realized that one of the outfits I put together I was going to wear on Friday and I packed it. Oh well, I guess I can just go back through it. I'll probably do a once over on Friday of just everything I packed, just to make sure I have exactly what I want. I might text my sister and Ken's sister in a group text just to message them and say, hey, like packing wise, what do you think I should pack and everything, because I am not entirely sure what the plan is. I know there's a few things that his sister wanted to be like a secret and stuff like that, but she did say the weekend of the girls' weekend, we were supposed to sit down and talk about this weekend coming up, but we just never got around to it. So I think I'm going to shoot her and my sister a group message just saying like, hey, just want to check in about this upcoming weekend, what the plans are and everything. Also on Friday morning, me and Ken are going to go get our marriage license, which is super exciting because that's another thing to mark off the list towards the wedding. But I know this video is probably short, but I just wanted to kind of have just more of like a pack with me, get ready for, you know, this coming up weekend vlog. And then I am planning on vlogging, well, I'm gonna try to plan on vlogging the weekend, like Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday we're obviously, I don't think, really doing anything. I don't know if we'll do like breakfast or something before we head back, like they drop me off and head back home. But I'm gonna try to kind of vlog the festivities for the weekend and everything, because I think it's gonna be just so much fun and I can't wait to celebrate with my sister and my soon-to-be sister-in-law, because I just love them both and I know it's just gonna be such a fun time just celebrating with two of the most like special people in my life. So thanks for coming along and packing with me for my Bachelorette weekend party. My Bachelorette weekend, and I will see you guys on Friday, actually, when I talk to you guys again when we start the festivities of the Bachelorette weekend. So I will see you guys then. Bye.